kid had a great idea. Go, no, no, he's not a reasonable alternative. Next Friday. This is Sam, and Sam is a 24-year-old ball eagle. And the reason Sam is here today is because I'm right there on his right wing. When he was only 4 months old, he was found injured in a woodlot up in Michigan with a broken right wing. With a broken right wing, you can't fly, and it's really hard to climb it. Luckily for Sam, he was found. He made his way to Michigan State University to try to patch his wing as best they could. But unfortunately, the damage was permanent, and he never had full use of that right wing. He's been a great ambassador for his species here at the zoo since 2003.
Yeah, that's right, Bob. Bald eagles have made an amazing comeback. In fact, when Sam was hatched back in 2000, there were less than 100 bald eagle nests in the entire state of Ohio. But this year alone, we're happy to report over 900 bald eagle nests, and they are no longer on the endangered species list.
He was found just north of Cincinnati with a wing injury. Cincinnati might seem like a pretty weird place to find a bird like a Mississippi kite, because as her name implies, they're typically found flying up and down the Mississippi River. But over time, they've had to expand their territory. As a migratory bird, Oz will travel thousands of miles every single year across 2 separate continents. During the summertime, you might see Oz up north here with us, and she might even be neighbors with your own backyard chicken.